In this video guide, we will give you recommendations on how to effectively get rid of Get Game Search browser hijacker. It is also known under the name of the website getgamesearch.com. Currently, Get Game Search is advertised by its developers as some helpful service or the browser extension that can assist you in playing various online games. Maybe this feature is useful for some categories of customers, but the point is that getgamesearch.com functions as a typical browser hijacker. It changes some important browser settings, and when you start submitting some search queries, you notice that the results may be delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine. Sometimes the results are delivered by Bing, by Yahoo, or by some other third-party search engines not requested by you initially. And that's the problem of Get Game Search browser extension. Another problem is that this hijacker is often spread through integration with some free applications, so people may download and install it pretty unintentionally. So I recommend you to carefully go to the menu of your Google Chrome browser, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. Now you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions, especially those related to Get Game Search. And finally, I would recommend you to research your system, your Mac computer, with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then carefully examining your device to make sure that it is free of any other hidden threats. So, after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the research of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.